Homeschooling is easy, but creating a transcript, that's another thing. Or is it? Hi, my name is Rebecca Devitt, and today we're going to be talking about how to create a high school transcript. It seems like a really intimidating task, but it doesn't have to be. If you've kept relatively good records, creating a homeschool high school transcript can be rather easy. When you're looking to create a homeschool transcript, the first thing that you need to do is to prepare. You need to have the subjects that your children have taken, as well as the grades that they've got from those subjects. If your child has taken classes outside of the ones that you've given to them, see if you can find a transcript that the company can give to you for that. A lot of the time, these are created automatically by the companies who run these courses. Take a look at your state's graduation requirements and see if you can model your homeschool transcript on the ones that your state gives to school students who have graduated. Thankfully, in the day and age of Google, a lot of these things are readily available as templates online. To make it really easy, there are some programs online that will let you create a homeschool transcript and will walk you through the process. This usually requires a small fee, but that might be okay for your peace of mind. If you're still feeling very lost, remember to consult your homeschool mentor or another homeschool parent around you, perhaps that have had high school children who have graduated and they've already gone through that process themselves. These parents are an amazing source of wisdom and information and can help you greatly and take a lot of stress from you. So I hope that really helps you in terms of creating your own homeschool transcript. My name is Rebecca Devitt. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.